Can you just tell me the name of your uncle?
Hyman. He's a little guy, and with glasses, and not terribly attractive, but he was a lot of fun. Well, I remember seeing him in the Yiddish theater, where his voice was louder than the actors. You know, he's the prompter, you know. They call it the souffleur. You know, a lot of the Yiddish words and the Russian words having to do with theater or French. He sat right on the stage, but a small bump that reflected his voice to the actors, and he just read their lines if they got stuck or didn't remember. But his voice was sometimes louder than the actors.